Hi. Here are 100 smart English sentences that you can use in daily conversations. Greetings and small talk.
Good morning. How did you sleep? How's everything going with you? It's been a while. How have you been? What's new with you? Long time no see. How's your day shaping up? What have you been up to lately? It's great to see you again. How's your week going so far? How's life treating you?
Expressing opinions.
In my opinion, that's the best option. From my point of view, it makes sense. I believe that's the right approach. Personally, I think it's a great idea. I'm convinced that this will work. It seems to me that we should reconsider. As far as I'm concerned, it's perfect. I would say that's a fair assessment. I'm not entirely sure, but I think so. I could be wrong, but that's how I see it.
Asking for information.
Can you tell me more about that? Could you clarify what you mean? What do you think about this idea? Can you give me a quick update? How does that work exactly? Do you have any suggestions? What's your take on this issue? Can you explain that a bit further? What's the reason behind that decision? How did you come to that conclusion?
Making requests.
Could you do me a favor? Would you mind helping me with this? Can you lend me a hand with this task? Do you think you could assist me? I'd appreciate it if you could take a look at this. Would it be possible to reschedule our meeting? Can you keep me posted on any updates? Could you please send me the details? Would you be able to finish this by tomorrow? Can you please confirm that for me?
Expressing gratitude.
Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate your assistance. Thanks for taking the time to do this. I'm grateful for your support. I can't thank you enough for this. I appreciate everything you've done for me. Your help made a big difference. I'm truly thankful for your kindness. Thanks a million for your generosity. I'm very thankful for your understanding.
Apologizing.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Please accept my apologies. I didn't mean to cause any trouble. I'm sorry for any misunderstanding. I apologize for the delay. My sincere apologies for the mistake. I'm sorry for not getting back to you sooner. I hope you can forgive me. I regret any issues this may have caused. I apologize if I've upset you.
Offering help.
Let me know if you need anything. I'm here to help if you need me. Do you need any assistance with that? I'd be happy to lend a hand. Is there anything I can do to help? Let me know if there's anything I can do. I'm more than willing to assist. How can I support you with this? Just say the word if you need help. I'm available if you need assistance.
Making suggestions.
How about we try a different approach? Why don't we take a break and revisit this? Maybe we should consider other options. It might be a good idea to rethink this. Let's look at this from a different angle. I suggest we start with the basics. How about we brainstorm some ideas? What if we tried it this way? Perhaps we should consult with the team. Let's see if we can find a compromise.
Compliments.
You did a fantastic job on that project. That's a brilliant idea. I'm impressed with your work. You're really good at what you do. That was a very insightful comment. You have a great eye for detail. I admire your dedication. Your creativity is amazing. You handled that situation very well. You've got a real talent for this.
Ending conversations.
It was great catching up with you. Let's stay in touch. I'll talk to you later. I look forward to our next meeting. Thanks for the chat. Take care and have a great day. I've got to run, but let's talk soon. I hope to see you again soon. Let's pick this up another time. Thanks for your time today.
I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.